Welcome to my channel. Keep it simple. In this video, I'll be teaching you two methods of making waterfall chart. One using the predefined template which comes with Excel 2016 and another using the combo charts. So without wasting time, let's start. First, focusing on a single level waterfall chart, that is like from point A to point B. So we have one data like start point 1000 and point 1450, and these are the variables which change this data. So select the data, go to the insert tab, go to the chart section and press the waterfall icon. It's very quick and simple. Now double click the last point, right click and set total. Similarly, in the start point, right click, set as total. You can delete the horizontal axis. Now it's very fast and quick, but now how you can change the colors. Increases, blue, decreases, orange. If you go to the series option, you select series, and if you change the color to solid fill to someone, over here you see it change the color of every point. So how you can like set the color. Suppose you decided to change the color to red, you click and change it to red, but again if the value become negative, it is still remain red. So how you can like set a color of the particular series. So this is some of the limitation with Excel 2016 chart, like waterfall chart. So but this is taking this color from somewhere, so we can change those color, but it will affect all the charts if using that same theme. Go to page layout section, go to colors and customize color. Over here you see SN1, SN2, SN3. So SN1 Excel is taking as increase, SN2 decrease, and SN3 is total. So if you change the color over here, increase, people generally use green color, decrease red color, and you can name this as waterfall and you can save it. So here you go. So now I'll be discussing another approach to make this, that is using combo chart. So just see. So start point will be 1000, similarly end point will be 1450. See, in this formula, just see what all I'm freezing. Post. Okay, now you can drag it down. Data labels will be maximum of the two. This will be used to put the data labels as required. Now select this data, this, go to insert, select the combo chart. In this, select the pre and post as line chart, do press OK. So you can delete these lines, select this line, press plus up down bars, and in this line you can say no line, no line. Similarly, now with this series you can say solid fill, because this is the green, this is going up, that's green, this is going down, that's red, and this is gray. And then you can also remove the border if you don't need it, to make it similar to the power. Last thing, you can reduce the gap width, make it 50. Similarly for this series, here you go. And now the chance is to add the data label. Go to the select data button, add the axis, series name, data labels. This will set the position for the markers. That's okay. This has somewhat distorted the chart, don't worry. Go to change type, select it as scatter. It's okay. Now you can right click, add data labels. You can again right click, format data labels. value from cell, select the data range. That's okay. Remove these two, go to up. Here you go. So the same chart. This is waterfall using combo chart, and this is predefined 2016 waterfall template. In the next video, I'll be teaching you to make a multi-level waterfall chart. What I mean is, suppose you have one point, you have another point, and you have the third point in this case. So stay tuned. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.